guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video was super requested by you guys. I actually did a little poll on IG. I don't know if you catch or you missed that poll, and I asked you guys what kind of video you guys want me to do next, and I asked you guys for DM me requests, and two of the top requests was for me to try this green mask stick that's all over TikTok and all over Facebook, Instagram. Is the blurry mask that's when you use actually look like you use a filter. So we're going to put this mask to the test. The mask is closed. I purchased from Amazon with my money. This video is not sponsored. I just did it for the sake so you guys can see if this is true or not, and I'm super curious just as much as you guys are. So I'm opening the mask with you guys on camera for you to see that I didn't test it. I have no idea how this works, if this works or not. So today we're going to find out if it works or not. So if it is your first time here, hi, my name is Paula. This is my channel. Here we do everything beauty, lifestyle kind of type of video. If this video you like to watch, I invite you to join me, join the family, and subscribe and stay. I appreciate you much if you do that. And I like to say thank you so much for my return subscriber. I love you guys for coming back. Thank you for coming back to support me. So let's get excited, because I'm super excited if these really make you look like a Snapchat filter. I'm gonna buy a whole truckload of these. We're going to try anyway, so we can see with our own eyes. So here I have the mask. Wish me luck. So I hope my skin don't fall off or nothing. No instruction here or nothing. And the mask look like it's leaking here, and all the instruction or whatever they say here is in Chinese. I don't know if you can read from that, but so I have no clue how to use that. This is even scary because I don't know what's gonna happen to my face when I put this on, but God help us. Let's see. So I removed the cap of the mask, and now there is a second little plastic cap here that we're gonna, okay, maybe when we push, yeah, when we push the mask up, the second cap come off. So they say that's like I get rid of imperfection and whatever. Even though I have really good skin, I do have some discoloration, and you guys can see a couple of little, how do you call this? I don't know how you call this, but it's like little brown spots here in the little mark here. So let's see if this is gonna make that go away. So what they say is for you apply on the skin and leave on, I think, for 10 minutes or so, and then you wipe it off. I'm gonna tell you guys right off the bat, my skin is burning, but I am a believer, so let's go all the way to the end. So this should do, they say for you put a good coat on the skin. Put a little bit more on my forehead. So let's wait the 10 minutes and let's hope that this works. And as we wait the 10 minutes for say, they say so in 10 minutes the black stuff started popping up. Let's see if that's true or not. As we wait, I'm going to get a wet little facial towel so I can remove on camera with you guys. So bear with me, don't go nowhere. I'll be back in 1 minute. Alright guys, so the 10 minutes went by, and like I suspected, nothing happened. No black stuff coming out, nothing. So this definitely is a fail. Don't waste your money like I did. I definitely gonna try to see if I can still return it, because it doesn't work, so it's false advertising. And hey, my money does not grow in tree, you know. I work as hard as everybody else for the money, so don't work. Nothing happened, but it is burning. It's burning my skin. Actually, it is a little bit burning. So I have a wet towel here, and now we're going to remove this and see if at least look clean or do anything for your skin at all. Let's see. Let me just get my mirror here, and let's start removing this. No, I don't see any difference at all on my skin. It looks exactly the same I did before the mask. This mask is a scam. Oh, at least for me it didn't work. So if you're out there and they work for you, good for you. For me, unfortunately, it didn't. Alright guys, so this is, I took all the mask out of my face, and I'm gonna just show you guys that my skin is sensitive now. I'm kind of burning a little bit, but it didn't take nothing out. Do you guys see the little brown spot I told you guys that I have here? The mark here, all still there. It's a fail, it doesn't work. I still look like my old self. I don't look like a Snapchat filter, but it's okay. We gotta love ourselves without filter anyway. So that's it for the video. For you guys who requested this video, thank you. It was a fun experience, but unfortunately I'm gonna try to return this. Let's see if the seller on Amazon, I'm gonna send him a copy of my video. Hi, hello, your mask does not work. Thank you. Plus my skin is sensitive now, it's burning still. Now what is in here, you know, that make your skin burn, but doesn't work. Don't waste your money, don't do it. I did it, and I only did it for the sake of this video because you guys requested, and you guys know I love you guys, and whatever you request me to do it, I will do it. So I see you guys next video. I hope you guys enjoy, and this was a flop. So TikTok make me buy